What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, it's gonna be a ride along. I've got a couple service calls, some errands to run, a meeting to go to. So I figured it'd be a good day to film to give you a little insight on what it's like in a day in my life. So let's do some work. Come here. Say bye. I'm going to work now. Can you say hi?
Hi.
Say hi, everyone.
Hi, everyone.
All right, buddy, give me a hug. I love you. Is that a car?
No, a big truck.
It's a big truck. Okay, give me a pound. Boom. Have a good day, buddy. All right, so the first service call is going to be in Nashville. It's actually a no heat, so it's still a little cool here in the mornings. This customer's saying they're not having any heat, so I'm going to go check that out. Before I do that, I'm going to grab a cup of coffee for the road, because you know me, I like my coffee. Thanks, dude. Yes, sir. Have a good one, brother. All right, got my coffee, so I'm good to go there. Ready to hit the road. Go check out that no heat, see what's going on there. But what do you guys think about these new HVAC tactical shirts? This is a new edition they just came out with. Should be on the website. I will put a link down in the description. Go check it out. Pick one up for yourself. All right, so that was a pretty easy and quick service call. As you can tell, the only half of the burners were lighting up because it looked like there was I guess a fire ant in one of those orifices. So I just need to take that burner assembly apart, get it cleaned up, remove that ant, and I went ahead and just checked the igniter and the flame sensor. All that looked to be fine, so I didn't really fool with that. But got it all put back together, fired it up, and we're good to go. So right now, I don't have time to kind of go through that system and really thoroughly clean it, so I just scheduled a time to come back for more of a spring maintenance. But at least we got some heat going for them right now. Now I'm gonna head to my next call. It's a condenser fan motor and blade. I already ordered the parts, so now I just need to go get them installed. All right, so I've got a confession to make with you guys. Let's get in here real tight. Let's get personal. I am a big procrastinator when it comes to paperwork. Not doing the paperwork on the job before I even leave, and I just head on to the next one, and before you know it, I've got a bunch of paperwork due at the end of the day, and then I push it off to the next day, and so on and so on. It's got to stop, guys. It's got to stop. I've got a problem. Real serious problem. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sit here in the truck. Before I start this next call, I'm going to do the paperwork from that previous job, because everything I do is electronic. I don't take payments unless they write me a check, and most of my customers don't do checks. It's all cards. So I email them an invoice and they pay it online. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now before I start on this next call. You know, you got to take care. You got to take care of what you got to do, guys. You got to just stick to it. Quit being lazy. I'm talking to myself, just so you know. So I'm going to go ahead and finish up this invoice, and then we'll get started on this next call. You gotta be kidding me. Check this out. Out of the box like that. Oh, maybe I can fix it. Pretty good. Gotta work. That should do it. Sweet. All right, so that job's complete. Motor went in fine. As you saw, there's a little hiccup there on those motor studs. 2 of them were bent straight out of the box. Luckily, they weren't bent too bad to where I could put the nuts on there and straighten them back up, and everything was just fine. So good to go on that, because I had to order that motor. That's an OEM motor, and it took like 10 days to get in. So luckily, I was able to fix that and get it going. So now I need to head to the powder coating company. I've got 2 package unit dollies that are done, and I need to go get those picked up so I can get those shipped off to 2 lucky guys that's going to get my new HVAC dolly. So if you guys are interested in those, I'll leave my email down in the description. Shoot me an email. Let me know what you want, where you live, that sort of thing. I'll give you a price on shipping and all that. But yeah, I'm now making those, and I can now ship them. So hit me up down in the comments or email me, and let me know if you want one. All right, so I got the dollies loaded up. Now I'm gonna run right down the road to Northern Tool. I gotta pick up a Milwaukee box that I ordered. I believe it's the 3-drawer pack out I've been waiting on. So I think that's in stock, or it's arrived, so I can go pick that up now. But yeah, these dollies are really cool. I don't know if you guys have seen them yet. I'm gonna be making a video just on the dollies themselves, but I've got the process down now. I get them powder coated so they're very strong as far as the finish on them. And I've got it designed now where it can be boxed up fairly small. So it's a 3-piece design. And now the shipping is not crazy through the roof. So that's gonna help out quite a bit for all you guys that want a dolly. So again, check it out. In the description down below, I'll leave my email. Just give me a shout if you guys are interested in one. All right, got the box picked up, so we're good to go there. That pretty much completes the Milwaukee boxes that I need for my truck. I know you guys, a lot of you guys have been asking about a truck tour, and I've kind of been putting that off because I've got some upgrades coming to the truck, and I want to wait until I get those, until I actually do a nice video on how I have everything set up. So one of the big upgrades is I'm replacing the topper on this truck. I'm going to get a new one, and it's going to be set up a little different. So I want to wait until that arrives and it's on the truck and I have everything organized until I actually make a video. So that's coming in the future, so stay tuned. That means subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. But But yeah, that's gonna be coming down the pipe, and all those Milwaukee boxes, the 3 drawer, the 2 drawers, they're all gonna be part of that build. So you'll get to see all that and how I set this truck up for, you know, install, service, whatever. I have to be able to do everything. So I have to keep a lot of parts and pieces on this truck. Unlike most technicians where they only need, you know, replacement parts for doing service, but I also have to do installs. So I keep all of those, you know, fittings for all of that too. So anyway, that's coming down the pipe. But it's lunchtime. I'm hungry. I've actually got a meeting to go to, a meeting with a local HVAC company. We're going to be talking about doing some media content for them, or I'm going to go on site, take some, you know, pictures, do some little short videos of their company to where they can use it for advertising on Instagram, Facebook, wherever they want to put it, and run some campaigns that way. So that's kind of a little side thing that I'm trying to get into, where I can do more filmmaking, because I just really enjoy doing it. And you know, obviously, since I know HVAC, I can really tell that story for those companies as well. Anyhow, I think it's gonna be cool. We're gonna go. I'm gonna go meet them now, have some lunch, and we'll go from there.
2 hours later.
All right, so I just got done with that meeting. It lasted a little over 2 hours, which was great. I think it went very well. I actually enjoyed just hanging out and, you know, talking with Adam and Gus. They're with a local HVAC contractor here in Murfreesboro. Man, sounds like they're doing some really cool stuff. Not only am I gonna be hopefully doing some, you know, media for them that they can use on their own platforms, but I'm gonna be making some content that goes on my channel that's gonna be promoting them as well, or not necessarily promoting them, but bringing some awareness to what they're doing for the industry, because I really think they're doing some good stuff. So anyway, stay tuned, because that's gonna be coming down the pipe as well. But that's gonna wrap up today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. This has been kind of a ride along, just a day in the life situation. I've got to head home, get caught up on some paperwork, and that's pretty much gonna wrap it up for the day. Hang out with the family and do it all again tomorrow. But anyway, give it a thumbs up if you guys like what I'm doing. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Till next time, we'll see you guys later. Woo!